everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell, and to select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I will be setting up my fireplace, or showing how I styled my fireplace for summer using beautiful flowers. These are pictures from Pinterest that give me inspiration. The styling of my fireplace mantle is part of a collaboration entitled Summer Fireplace Decor 2020, and this is being hosted by Stephanie of Creatively MsMe with Stephanie, and her co-host is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. I will leave a link to these ladies' channels in the description box below, along with the playlist to all the other participants in this collaboration. This is a video of my fireplace mantle in my home, and I will be setting it up with beautiful flowers that I purchased from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. Here you will see I will be using these orchids that I purchased from Walmart, and I've had them for a while, so I don't remember the prices of the orchids. And then also I will be inserting these peonies that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You will also see potpourri, pink potpourri that's coming up. These potpourri fillers that I will be using also to insert. And this ivy, vine, and carnations I already had on hand. And then also coming up, tapered candles from the Dollar Tree that I was going to cover with glitter. That's why you see the glitter sitting there. And these white and pink LED candles were purchased from Michael's. Now let's get started getting this fireplace mantle decorated for summer. This is a bathroom vanity-like fixture that I recreated into a dining room centerpiece. I have a DIY video on this, and I will leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to see how I put this together. But I'm using this on my fireplace to put the candles and flowers on. I actually have it upside down. I have it upside down because I have more space on the bottom to lay out my flowers. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.